Alright, so today we're going to show how to use installation. We're not putting on the toilet. I'm showing you guys. Whoa, this toilet seat. Whoa. Oh. Those are the tools that the people would need. Yeah, I'm going to tell you right now. If you have an aquasource toilet, you got to go to Lowe's and buy this toilet seat, okay? People from the YouTube channel, you can record, you can post that on YouTube. Baby, you gotta post on YouTube.
I will.
Alright, so I'm gonna show you to lift it up. What are these called?
I do not know what those are called.
Oh, there's two. Lift it all the way up. There's 4 bumpers. 1, a 2, and a 3, a 4. Alright. Yeah. Alright. This goes here, screw. Yeah. Should it be this one or that one?
I don't know.
I guess that one, because like a home has this. Yeah. Yeah. Shine. Whoa, here's the installation of this one. A toilet. We'll do the second row. I'm showing you how to do this. Yeah. There's the second one. Yeah. Oh, you're supposed to need these first. Sorry, I didn't mean to do just one of them. Oh. Yum. Next step, I'll show you how to do the collar piece, the bumpers that look like when I collect a collar one. I'll show you how to do the collar. I'll show you how to do the one more aquasource, the other aquasource they had at Lowe's. It was a different one. It was not the same one. It was one that looks like our downstairs one. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Bye. Keep posting on YouTube.